The microphone.
Yes. Julian, look.
That's right. Books and flashlights is all we need.
Please, Mommy and Daddy. Xander. One more time and that's it. Look at the camera. That's fine, that's fine. Good.
I can't wear it, the same clothes. No, I was like, I can't.
Video games and electronics. Oh, line.
Hey.
That's okay. Books and flashlights will do it. What about that?
I'm done.
You're done.